Augmentin, which is in the group of antibiotic drugs, is available in 375 mg, 625 mg, and 1000 mg tablets. The active ingredient of Augmentin is amoxicillin. What is Augmentin and why is it used? Augmentin is a prescription medicine used to treat the symptoms of many different infections caused by bacteria, such as lower respiratory tract infections, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, bacterial sinusitis, animal-human bite wounds, and skin infections. Augmentin may be used alone or with other medications. How is Augmentin used? Take Augmentin exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Follow all directions on your prescription label and read all medication guides or instruction sheets. Augmentin may work best if you take it at the start of a meal. Take the medicine every 12 hours. Do not crush or chew the extended-release tablet. Swallow the pill whole, or break the pill in half and take both halves one at a time. Tell your doctor if you have trouble swallowing a whole or half pill. His medicine can affect the results of certain medical tests. Tell any doctor who treats you that you are using Augmentin. Use this medicine for the full prescribed length of time, even if your symptoms quickly improve. Skipping doses can increase your risk of infection that is resistant to medication. Augmentin will not treat a viral infection such as the flu or a common cold. Avoid taking this medicine together with or just after eating a high-fat meal. This will make it harder for your body to absorb the medication. Take the medicine as soon as you can, but skip the missed dose if it is almost time for your next dose. Do not take 2 doses at one time. Here are some things to know before using Augmentin. Before taking this product, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to amoxicillin or clavulanic acid, or to penicillin or cephalosporin antibiotics, or if you have any other allergies. Before using this medication, tell the doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of liver disease, kidney disease, a certain type of viral infection. This medication may contain aspartame. If you have phenylketonuria or any other condition that requires you to avoid aspartame in your diet, ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this medication safely. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use. This product may cause live bacterial vaccines to not work as well. Do not have any vaccinations while using this medication unless your doctor tells you to. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This medication passes into breast milk. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. What are the possible side effects of Augmentin? Severe stomach pain, diarrhea which is watery or bloody, pale or yellowed skin, dark-colored urine, fever, confusion, weakness, loss of appetite, upper stomach pain, yellowing of skin or eyes, easy bruising or bleeding, little or no urination, sore throat, swelling in your face or tongue, burning in your eyes, skin pain followed by a red or purple rash that spreads with blisters and peeling. Get medical help right away if you have any of the symptoms listed above. The most common side effects of Augmentin include nausea, diarrhea, vaginal itching or discharge. If this video was helpful for you, Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. I wish you healthy days.